Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Ford B-Max. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over to the audio system, you click phone there. No phone's paired, please add a phone. Add, cancel. And those instructions at the bottom correspond to these 4 buttons here. So we click add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So there we go, sync's come up there, so we select sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
048851 pair, and then we accept yes is the left button. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Sync connected. The Ford audio system is brilliant.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It's asking me if I want to download the phone book. I won't be using the car again, so I'm just going to put no.